This is a CF-19 mouse button cover and clicker replacement. Start off by shutting off your computer if you've not done so already. Open it up and then heat up the palm rest cover around the edges. You can do this with a hair dryer or with a heat gun or similar tool, and then get a flat edge tool. I find that a small putty knife or spackle knife works. Get underneath the edge and carefully lift it up. Start in the front. You don't want to start near the keyboard. Start in the front and carefully lift it up. And then with that cover off, you can go ahead and push the old mouse button covers out. Get your replacement mouse button cover and put them in place. Just line it up and push it firmly back down in place. And then to replace the clickers, there is a thin clear plastic held down with adhesive cover over top of the bottom of the clickers. Just go ahead and lift that up, take the plastic clicker off, get your replacement, put it in place, put the cover back on, and put the palm rest cover back on. To put the palm rest cover back on, just make sure that the two-sided tape or adhesive is in position. Flip it back to the proper side, push it, put it in place, and then just firmly place it back down. Once that's done, that's all for the repair. If you have any questions, any comments, suggestions, just let us know. You can send us an email to our tech support email, which is tech_support@bobjohnson.com, or you can give us a call or a toll-free number of 877-202-7788.